What's up, guys? Welcome back to Road to the Two Comic Club. Today is December 14th, Thursday, and we're up a little bit, not a whole lot, but hey, I'm just happy with these small gains. If I can get those every day, I'll be very, very happy. And so let's just see how we're doing. It's about 10 o'clock right now. Sorry for the glare, but we're at 178. We're up about like 1900 or so, and Tesla is still doing well for us. So we still see Tesla up there. And I did see Nvidia was up this morning, and so, you know, it's like a kind of a calm day though, but like let's look at how the Nasdaq is doing. Nasdaq's up 23 points, which is awesome, and then the Dow's up 35 points. So I'm just happy with what's going on. And I did hear that they're making some progress on the tax bill. So Donald Trump did compromise, I guess you could call it, but he agreed to go to 21% corporate tax rate instead of 20%. And I think that helped get a lot more people on board with the bill as a general. But they also did some other compromises, I'm sure. But it's such a long bill that I don't think anyone knows what's in it entirely. There's so many things in it. But anyways, it looks like it might get passed. And so hopefully the stocks start steadily climbing up because of that. And we can have a good rest of the month because, you know, we're still trying to come back from that huge loss we took a couple weeks ago. And so, yeah. So I'm going to do some more editing. I got my friend coming over today to help me with my YouTube channel, and hopefully we can get a lot done. And then we'll just check back when the market closes. All right, see you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? Welcome back. It is 7:28 p.m. and streak got broken. Man, we can't put together like a really long streak, but I'm happy with 5 days in a row. So let's just see how we did. Also, I'm really excited. My friend let me borrow his microphone, so hopefully the audio will sound a little bit better on the screen recording. So let's just get into it. All right, so we lost a little bit of money today, but not that bad. We only lost a little less than $2,000, so I'm okay with that. Could have been a lot worse. I did do a trade though. I sold one of my Tesla calls, and because I was taking advantage that it was going up, and so I took a little bit of profit on this one call here, and then I used that to buy 2 more Adobe calls because I knew they were reporting earnings today, and I was just taking a gamble. It was pretty much 50-50. Either they were going to beat earnings or they weren't going to beat earnings. And luckily, from reading the headlines, it looks like they beat earnings, so it looks like they're going to go up tomorrow. So very stoked with that trade. Hopefully, it'll pay off a lot tomorrow. So I guess we'll see what happens. So let's look at the winners for today. Activision Blizzard was our number one with 35% gain with a $540 gain. So it's a kind of a cheap call right now. So that's why, even though it went up so much, we didn't make a lot. But we got 12 of them, so that kind of added up. And so that was good. We also had the Bed Bath & Beyond put and the Abercrombie & Fitch put made us money today, so that was a good change of pace. Oh, also Macy's. So, and this Apple put that I bought for protection, I totally forgot I had that. Wow, okay. I should probably just get rid of that. I really do think Apple is just going to keep going up, so I kind of just bought this for protection when the stocks were going down a couple weeks ago. And I forgot to sell it, apparently. But I guess it made me money somehow today. So that's interesting. That's cool. Whatever, I'll take it. I'll evaluate that later. These stocks didn't do anything. And then the losers, not too many bad ones. I mean, our worst performer was Apple. We only lost $700 with them, even with 20 calls. So it really wasn't that bad. So yeah, let's just keep moving. Let's keep moving. We got the first page here. We got the stock that my friend Kevin is investing in. He's just been killing on that one lately. And we also have Twitter. We got Square, Stamps.com. I wish I had more with Stamps, but I think I only have one call with them. Roku, I wish I still had calls with Roku, but I sold that. But we got Applied Materials. We have Netflix, Amazon, Universal Display, EA, Google. We got a lot of companies that we own on the front page, so that's really good. Even though we lost money today, I am not mad about that at all because I still feel like overall the stocks did really well. So let's just keep scrolling through here. Third page, starting the stocks that lost money. Tesla lost a little bit today. And then we have fifth page, GM on top of there. And then we got our worst performers today were sadly our hemp stock and then the blockchain, global blockchain company, technology corporations, whatever. All right, so let's just get away from the screen recording here. All right, so anyways, I'm going to hit stop here. So I'm going to actually have to run out. I'm going to pick up my girlfriend, and then I'm going to come back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back, read some of the articles and headlines. Today was a really sad day in the internet world. They did repeal net neutrality. That's going to suck. I'm really hoping that it doesn't affect us on YouTube as like the viewers and creators. I'm really bummed about that. But yeah, comment below what you guys think about that. Hopefully you guys will see this pretty soon, but I mean, hopefully you can still watch my channel. Who knows what's gonna happen? So I'm gonna go pick up my girlfriend, come back, and then we'll pick up again and talk a little bit about Activision Blizzard, and then maybe a couple other things, and then we'll wrap it up. So see you guys in a bit. All right, what's up? We're back. So it is about 10:25, and we're gonna get through a couple articles. I'm gonna talk about some information, and then we're gonna wrap it up. So first, I'm gonna start from, I think, the least exciting to most exciting. So I'm gonna go with Estee Lauder brands because, again, it's a makeup company. I don't wear makeup, so I don't really know anything really about it other than that it's a solid company. And I just learned from reading this article that apparently Estee Lauder owns the brands Aramis, Clinique, I think I've heard of them, Lab Series, I think I've heard of them, Origins, MAC, Bobbi Brown, La Mer, Aveda, I think I've heard of them, Jo Malone, London, Bumble and Bumble, Darphin, Smashbox, Rodin, and Glam Glow, along others. So I've heard of maybe like 3 or 4 of those. But man, I did not know that they own so many brands. So like, no wonder they're doing so well. And they also have license agreements with Tommy Hilfiger, Donna Karan New York, Michael Kors, and Tom Ford. So yeah, Estee Lauder is just apparently just dominating the makeup industry. So I'm glad I have some options, and then maybe I forget how many I have, but maybe just one, I'm not sure. But anyways, I think they've been reporting good earnings. I'm not sure. Like, if you know more about them, please comment below with some like background information, and I'll totally pin it so everyone can see. Maybe you guys would know a lot more than I do. And Goldman Sachs, let's talk about Activision, because I didn't talk about them yesterday. But Goldman Sachs analyst Christopher Merwin upgraded the stock from neutral to buy and raised its price target from $67 to $73, and they closed like right around 65 today. So he says the potential sequels for Diablo and Overwatch and the expectation of a Blizzard mobile game in the future is why he's raising his price target. And whenever a company, I think, gets into the mobile game space, I think that just has such good potential for the company because there's just so much money you can make from mobile games. And so, I mean, see Exhibit A, Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, Pokemon Go. I mean, when you have a really hit mobile game, you make so much money from it. And I think it's smart for them to venture in that space. So let's see what will happen with them. It's going to be interesting. Now, the most exciting news, Adobe. First time they reported a $2 billion quarterly revenue. That's just amazing. The revenue in Q4, it was $2.01 billion versus $1.95 billion estimate, up 25% year over year for that quarter. The earnings per share beats $1.26 earnings per share adjusted versus a $1.16 estimate. So whenever they beat on that, I mean, then the stock's going to go up pretty much. So annualized recurring revenue, which is like a main factor you see nowadays with these cloud companies who do like subscription models and stuff like that. That's a big line item for them, and they $5.23 billion, which was the first time they cracked $5 billion for the annualized recurring revenue. And total, all in all, for 2017, because their fiscal year is now over as of November 30th, I believe, $7.3 billion for 2017. So that's just amazing. Adobe is just killing it. What can I say? I love their line of products: Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, Premiere Pro. I mean, you name it, they got a ton of awesome stuff for professionals and creators, content creators, artists, whatever you're doing that has to do with being creative. They got you covered, and I am not being paid to promote them. I just really like their stuff. So with that said, hope you guys like this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your friends if you want to show them what it's like investing in options. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.